Standing here with Paul, one of our customers. We, a number of weeks ago, they had gone on vacation and they were coming back that day, and I texted, I think, so that when you landed at the airport, I texted him saying, I hope you're not too disappointed that we didn't get farther along with the project and blah. I don't remember.
Sandy kind of set me up.
Yeah, exactly.
That, we did the best we could with the weather.
Hopefully you're not disappointed, and we made it. Yeah. We played it as if we'd gotten very little done that week because of the weather and the rain and blah blah blah.
And actually, I played it very much like that. Played it back to everyone because I understood it had this whole season has been crazy rainy, and it's been very difficult to schedule around that and all that stuff. And my sister-in-law had said it's been crazy rainy here, whatever, which I think it was. And
we definitely worked. We worked around a lot of rain that week, and we were able to get quite a bit done.
So we're just totally ready to come home. We've been a long trip type thing, and we got home, and there's a very strange noise that you could hear kind of once we walked in there because it was loud, different from normal, and Erica was just kind of like, what's that? And Laura was kind of out on the deck, and she just kind of went like this, like, don't look type thing, and the kids just exploded. So they had seen it and whatever. Amanda did not even get into any kind of bathing suit. She was in the pool within 35 seconds of getting home, and Lucas followed suit, 10 seconds later. So, yeah, it was quite a time.
We had fortunately been able to just wrap up an awful lot of things, and literally the morning that they were coming home, we'd gotten the waterfall working. So not only was there water in the pool, but it was hours before that we had been able to wrap it up. I was here till 10:30 the night before with the water guy because we could schedule them as late as possible on Saturday night. And so it was a pretty cool experience.
Well, and when we left, there was no bottom.
There was no bottom in the pool. Yeah, there was a long way. It was a long way from there.
Yeah. So that's quite a lot of water. It makes all the difference. I mean, a hole in the ground is one thing, and it's very hard to get the. And you guys did a lot of waterfall work too that week. So it was still very rough of waterfall. So it was very much a different place when we got home. So it was very surprising, and the water makes all the difference. I mean, it's unbelievable how much that changes everything. So very cool.
Expectation-wise, in terms of waterfall in particular, because that's sort of the center. There's a lot of really cool stuff. The whole thing's cool, but the waterfall is sort of that center point.
Well beyond expectations, honestly. That was one thing that we had talked about early on was, if we're going to do a waterfall, we didn't want it to be like a garden hose type thing. Yeah, and you took that and
it's not, is it?
That. No, sir. So, yeah, all good. Very cool. All good. Very cool. Definitely.